Okay, everybody, welcome to my house. This is going to be my first video. I am going to shoot in my backyard. This is where I have my white birds, my pigeons. And come on, I'm going to show you guys my beautiful white birds that I have in my pigeon coop. These are my birds. These are my birds. These are baby birds. This is one of my baby birds. And I have 3 more down there. So this is one of my baby birds here. She is approximately 1 month old. And they grow fast. And here are 3 other of my baby birds. They're beautiful. This one's here, I would say this one's a month and a half old. And there are others up there. And this is my little pigeon coop that I have. And these are my beautiful white birds that I have. This is one of my white birds. They're beautiful.